So today we're in my wife's Tesla and we're going to be installing the new pedal commander. Check this out, the Try Anti-Theft for Free setup. So basically how this pedal commander works is it attaches to the gas pedal or throttle pedal down here, which I'll show you in a second, and you can change your modes based on what kind of style of driving you want. Now I know a Tesla has, well, it doesn't show right now because I'm not driving, but it has chill mode and sport mode, but this adds eco mode, city mode, sport mode, and sport plus. It also gives you a high and low, so you can go up or down to basically adjust the pedal to any pedal like sensitivity or feeling that you actually want out of it. The anti-theft thing, yes, this is something new. So it actually has the ability for you to go on your app and shut down the vehicle, so that basically the electric pedal will not work unless you put a passcode in to access the pedal commander. And what's nice about that is that basically they have to have the app and they have to have the password in order to steal your car. So you can put it in anti-theft mode and you can make it basically bulletproof so no one can steal your car. So let me show you how this works. Let me open up the package and show you what's inside. So once you get the pedal commander out of the box, it looks like this. It's very slim, very small, a lot smaller than a cell phone. Just to give you reference as far as size, because I know people ask about how big the difference is. That's the difference. So that way it's very easy to mount anywhere you want. You can mount it on Velcro. It has this little clip thing, so you can actually unclip it and take it out if you want. If you want to mount just the casing, you can do that as well. So very nice, easy setup to do. Then it has a cable with a split on it, with a Y on it. So how this works is one side plugs into the pedal and one side plugs into the harness that used to plug in the pedal. Let me show you what it looks like on a different pedal. So this is a standard drive-by-wire gas pedal or throttle pedal. This one actually comes out of a Toyota. This is very common in your Priuses and in your FRSs, but I just want to show you how this part works. So normally this is your, let's just say this is your OEM harness. This is plugged in here and then this runs to the vehicle. So it looks like this when you dive underneath the car. So it's like this. You unplug this guy with the little clip. So push the clip down, unplug it there. Now you pull out your pedal commander and you basically take one side of this and plug this into the pedal, and then you plug this into the chassis. So this plugs into your original OEM parts, and then your pedal commander will run off of the power and everything on the vehicle. So there's no extra wires, there's no extra plugs. It's simply just unplug the pedal, plug the jumper in, and you're ready to go. Let me show you what it looks like on the Tesla. So the Tesla pedal is right here and the plug is just right on the side of it, like I showed you on the Toyota plug. Basically what you do is you take out this screw, and there's another one on this side, right here. And then this panel comes off. Once this panel comes off, there's a plug right on the side of this that you can unplug and plug your pedal commander right into it. Then I ran the wire up underneath this, right underneath there, and then it goes through here, because this panel just pops out. So it goes right through here, up into here, and then inside this box in there. Okay, so once you've ran it around there and into this little box area, it pops out down here, and then you can tuck in the wires however you want to this part. It's kind of messy on the Tesla because these wires are already here anyways. So you shut this guy down, and then you can pull your pedal commander out. You can set it right here. This guy will shut, as long as you don't shut it on your other cables. And you can mount it here. You can have it however you want it set up. The wifey charges her phones here, so she normally puts this down in here. But you can push the button, you can change from sport mode to sport plus, to eco, to city, whatever you want, and you can push up or down. So you can make it more aggressive, or down makes it less aggressive. So if you want, let's say you're like, I want sport, but sport plus is too much. And you know what, let's make it like a softer sport version. You can actually turn it down in that mode, so you can still have the feel of the sport, but make it more or less aggressive. So that's how you install the pedal commander on the Tesla Model 3. It's very similar on the Model Y and the Model X and on the Model S. So same setup, same connector, and same pedal commander for all of them. So go out there, get yourself a pedal commander, and enjoy your ride.